Hi, welcome to Netis tutorial, and today we will look some troubleshooting steps with wireless signals issue. And this is laptop, and suppose this laptop is not getting the proper signal from this wireless router. Okay, so we will perform some troubleshooting steps. First of all, I will strongly recommend to upgrade the firmware of the device. Okay, and firmware device we can download from the website, Netis website, and we will just open the website. The website name is www.netis-systems.com. Click on support, download, and click on your appropriate product. I am using WF2419. Click on, and this is the latest firmware and released on 26th of January 2014. Click on download. Click on save. Okay, so I am already having this firmware, so I will disconnect. I will just cancel this option, and I have copied this one 2419. So this is basically this will copied in zip file, so we need to extract this file. Right click on and extract file. Okay, so after extracting the file, it will come in this folder. This is the firmware. And now we will open the configuration page of router. By typing IP address 192.168.1.1. This is a default IP address, but my IP address is 192.168.10.1. Click on advanced and system tools, firmware upgrade. Click on browse and select the path where we have copied the file 2419 netis upgrade. And in between, while upgrading the firmware, so don't turn off the power and don't disconnect the Ethernet cable. And one thing, do not upgrade the firmware via wireless connection. Okay, so just connect your laptop or desktop to the netis device through cable and upgrade the firmware. Okay, so after completing this 100% it will over. So after completing this, just refresh the page, automatically page will open. So just check the connectivity. Okay, so I have already upgraded the firmware, so no need to upgrade. I will cancel it. Okay, and after upgrading the firmware, just check the connectivity. If you are getting the signals, that's okay. If not, then you can change the location of the router. So we are using in this location, so we can change the location, and we can change the antenna direction also and check the connectivity. And second thing, this sometimes these like these devices, microwave oven and cordless phone, and this is baby monitors, these are also working on the same 2.5 gigahertz band. Okay, so sometimes these devices also creating the interference in wireless network, so we will just keep in distance these devices and check the connectivity. And fourth thing, just we will check the channel settings and transmit power settings in the device. Sometimes this channel overlapping issue also creating this signal strength issue, and transmit power also we will keep on the highest. So we will just go configuration page again, 192.168.10.1, and click on advanced. Click on wireless settings, and make sure this is wireless status should be enabled. And radio mode, access point, radio band should be 802.11 BGN. SSID, your wireless name. SSID broadcast should be enabled, and this is a channel. Okay, if you are getting the issue with the auto channel, just change it to 6. Okay, check the connectivity. If still you are not getting, you can change it to 11. Okay, only 2, 6 or 11 channels are the non-overlapping channel. Okay, so either you just keep on auto, or 6 or 11, one by one you can check. Okay, after setting the channels, click on save. Saving. Save successfully. Now check the connectivity. So if you are still you are getting some wireless signal strength issue, so just go on this website www.netissystem.com, and there also we are having some FAQs, troubleshooting steps, procedure. Support, FAQ, and select your product, wireless model number 2419, problem category, no problem, submit. Okay, these are also some troubleshooting steps here. How to change the wireless password, how to configure WDS mode, how to configure APWDS. So these are the all configuration steps, so we can go through. And if you want to just send a mail, so you just send india_support@netis-systems.com. you can send a mail to us if you are getting any issue, and if you want to get any informations. Okay, so thanks for watching.